Hi, this is Stephanie Gordon at Gordon Property Management. I'm going to talk a little bit about renters insurance. The latest San Francisco Apartment Association lease agreement now has a clause in it that requires tenants to obtain renters insurance. That's the lease agreement we use. That's the lease agreement that most San Francisco landlords use. But what does it really get you? I'm not sure it gets you all that much protection. First of all, it's a difficult clause to enforce. Oftentimes, tenants cannot realistically get that kind of insurance before they actually move into the unit. And then once they're in, trying to get it, you may or may not be successful in getting it. And if they do get it, they may cancel it and you won't know that they cancel it. Or they may get a kind that protects damage to their units, but it will not protect you if they leave the water running and they damage the unit or the unit below you. So it's kind of one of those things that it's now part of the lease agreement, but I really just want landlords to know that it's not a panacea. It doesn't cover everything. I think it's great that tenants do get renters insurance, but just be aware that it probably will not cover you, the landlord, in the case where a tenant damages your unit. And if their possessions are damaged and it's your fault, their renter's insurance company is going to go after your property insurance, and you could end up with a ding on your insurance record, which maybe isn't even what you want. So when the SFAA put this requirement into the new lease agreement, it was somewhat controversial among the attorneys that were writing the lease agreement, and those of us in the industry here, have mixed feelings about it. So it's in our lease agreement. We require it. I actually put in my management agreement that we don't guarantee that it will cover you or that the tenants will keep it in force. So just be aware of that. If you have any questions, this is Stephanie Gordon at Gordon Property Management.